Imagine building a thriving business from your laptop without a team, coding skills, or a huge investment. Thanks to AI, this is the reality for many solopreneurs in 2025. AI-powered newsletters are making solopreneurs rich, and you can do it too. In this video, we'll explore how people are using AI to generate $10,000 plus per month with just a laptop and an internet connection. Get ready to discover the secrets of this lucrative opportunity and learn how to leverage AI for financial freedom. Would you start a business if it didn't require a team, coding, or a huge investment? With AI-powered newsletters, you can. These newsletters offer a unique opportunity to connect with your audience and generate significant revenue. We'll break down the process step by step, providing actionable insights to launch and grow your AI-powered newsletter business. Learn how to identify your niche, automate content creation, and monetize your audience effectively. This is your chance to create a life of freedom, flexibility, and financial abundance. In 2025, newsletters are making a comeback. Unlike social media, newsletters offer stability and direct engagement. They cut through the clutter, providing valuable content to a targeted audience. This shift towards quality over quantity has fueled a renaissance in email marketing. AI-powered newsletters offer a game-changing solution for solopreneurs. Automate content creation, personalize messaging, and scale your newsletter with ease. This is a fundamental shift in how people consume information online. Engagement is the lifeblood of your online business. Newsletters consistently outperform metrics. Think about your own behavior. You're more likely to read and engage with a trusted newsletter. Studies show email newsletters generate click-through rates 6 times higher than social media posts or website traffic, leads, and sales. Newsletters foster a direct, personal connection with your audience. Subscribers invite you into their inbox, a space for trusted information. This relationships, leading to higher engagement and business success. Starting an AI-powered newsletter business has a low barrier to entry. Platforms like Beehiiv, Substack, and ConvertKit offer affordable plans with essential tools. AI tools automate tasks like content creation, research, and graphic design. This reduces expenses and frees you to focus on strategy and audience engagement. Low startup costs and AI-powered automation create an attractive opportunity for solopreneurs. With a laptop, internet connection, and AI, you can launch and scale a successful newsletter business. Owning your audience is crucial in today's digital landscape. Newsletters give you direct access to subscribers, free from social media algorithms. This direct communication builds trust, loyalty, and community around your brand. You're in control, providing valuable content and personalized experiences. Think of your newsletter as your own media empire where you set the rules. This ownership is a powerful asset, allowing you to build your business on your terms. AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude are transforming the newsletter game. They act as tireless research assistants and brainstorming partners. AI can analyze audience interests, identify trending keywords, and suggest industry experts. This data-driven insight was once reserved for large corporations. Now it's accessible to anyone with a laptop and internet connection. AI levels the playing field, allowing solopreneurs to compete with larger players. Create highly targeted, engaging content that resonates with your audience. AI writing tools like Jasper and ChatGPT revolutionize content creation. Produce high-quality articles, emails, and social media posts quickly. AI helps maintain consistency in your brand's voice and tone. This is crucial for building a strong brand identity and trust. AI tools are constantly evolving, enhancing their writing abilities. Expect even more impressive content creation capabilities as AI advances. AI-powered tools like Midjourney and Canva simplify design and scheduling. Generate captivating images and customize them with ease. Platforms like ConvertKit and Beehiiv streamline scheduling and automation. Ensure your content reaches the right people at the right time. AI tools eliminate guesswork, allowing you to focus on valuable content. Present a polished, professional brand image that rivals established players. AI is your all-in-one command center for your newsletter business. It streamlines content generation, design, and scheduling. Focus on strategic growth and audience engagement. Work smarter, faster, and more efficiently with AI. Create higher quality content and reach a wider audience. Compete with larger players and build a thriving online business. Meet Sarah, a solopreneur who turned her passion for AI tools into a thriving newsletter business. She curates the best tools, provides clear explanations, and offers practical use cases. Her newsletter, The AI Tool Whisperer, attracts a loyal following of entrepreneurs and creatives. Sarah shares in-depth tutorials, insider tips, and exclusive discounts on premium AI tools. Her story shows the power of identifying a niche and delivering exceptional content. By leveraging AI, Sarah built a profitable business that empowers others to embrace AI. You don't need to be a public figure to build a successful AI newsletter. Tech Insider, an anonymous founder, generates a six-figure income with over 50,000 subscribers. They deliver insightful analysis of emerging tech trends, focusing on AI's impact. Subscribers eagerly await each issue for competitive edge insights. Tech Insider monetizes through premium subscriptions, offering in-depth reports and exclusive interviews. Success hinges on providing real value and actionable information. Sarah and Tech Insider achieve success with a simple tool stack. They use ChatGPT for research and Jasper for refining writing. Canva helps create professional graphics and branding elements. Beehiiv manages subscribers, designs templates, and tracks metrics. InVideo repurposes written content into engaging video summaries. This streamlined workflow maximizes productivity and delivers exceptional content. These inspiring stories are just a glimpse into the world of opportunity that awaits you in the realm of AI-powered newsletters. The key takeaway? You don't need to be a tech expert, a marketing guru, or a social media influencer to succeed. What matters most is identifying a niche you're passionate about, delivering consistent value to your audience, and leveraging the power of AI to streamline your workflow. The tools and resources are readily available. All you need is the drive to take action and the dedication to create something truly valuable for your audience. In the next section, we'll delve into the various monetization models that can transform your AI newsletter from a passion project into a profitable business venture. Once you've cultivated a loyal and engaged subscriber base, sponsorships become a lucrative avenue for monetizing your AI newsletter. Think of it as partnering with brands that align with your niche and values, offering them direct access to your highly targeted audience. But how much can you charge for sponsorships? This is where understanding CPM, or cost per meal, comes into play. As your subscriber count grows, so does your CPM, meaning you can command higher rates from potential sponsors. Let's say you have a newsletter focused on AI tools for graphic designers. A company selling design software would be eager to reach your audience. With a CPM of $20, which is achievable with a substantial subscriber base, a sponsored email sent to 10,000 subscribers could earn you $200. The key is to partner with brands that resonate with your audience and offer genuine value. Authenticity is crucial in the world of sponsorships, so prioritize transparency and choose collaborations that feel like a natural extension of your content. Affiliate marketing is another powerful tool in your monetization arsenal. It involves promoting products or services relevant to your niche and earning a commission on every sale made through your unique referral link. Imagine recommending that same AI-powered design software from the previous example through an affiliate program. By seamlessly weaving in your personal experience and the tool's benefits within your newsletter content, you provide valuable information to your audience while also generating income. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its passive income potential. Once you've crafted compelling content promoting a product or service you believe in, your referral link continues to work for you, potentially generating income even while you sleep. Remember, transparency is key in affiliate marketing. Clearly disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain trust with your audience and ensure ethical practices. Authenticity and genuine recommendations will always resonate more strongly than forced promotions. Section 3. Packaging your expertise, the ebook goldmine. As your AI newsletter flourishes and your expertise within your niche solidifies, consider packaging your knowledge into a comprehensive ebook. This digital product allows you to share your insights, strategies, and actionable advice with a wider audience while generating a passive income stream. Think about the burning questions your subscribers constantly ask. What are the pain points you help them solve? Your ebook can address these needs, providing in-depth guidance, actionable steps, and valuable resources that empower your audience to achieve their goals. Promote your ebook strategically within your newsletter, offering exclusive discounts to your loyal subscribers. Share snippets of valuable content from the ebook to pique their interest and demonstrate the transformative knowledge it holds. Creating an ebook not only establishes you as an authority in your field but also provides a valuable resource that your audience can refer back to time and time again. It's a win-win situation. You share your expertise, empower your readers, and generate a passive income stream. Section 4. Monetizing your passion, empowering your future. Remember that ebook idea we discussed? It's not just a hypothetical concept, it's a tangible path towards financial freedom and entrepreneurial success. In fact, I've created an ebook that can serve as your roadmap to building a thriving AI-powered business from scratch. Introducing the AI-powered business playbook, your comprehensive guide to leveraging the power of AI to automate your business, generate passive income, and achieve financial independence. This ebook dives deep into the strategies, tools, and real-life examples we've discussed throughout this video, providing you with actionable steps to launch and scale your own AI-powered venture. Whether you're passionate about AI tools, tech trends, or any other niche, this ebook equips you with the knowledge and resources to turn your passion into a profitable online business. It's time to take control of your future, unlock your earning potential, and embrace the transformative power of AI. Head over to Amazon today to grab your copy of the AI-powered business playbook and embark on your journey towards building a successful and fulfilling business in the age of AI. Section 1. Your 3-step launchpad. Feeling inspired and ready to dive into the world of AI-powered newsletters? You don't need to be a tech whiz or marketing guru to get started. In fact, you can launch your own AI-powered newsletter in just 3 simple steps. First, choose your niche. What are you passionate about? What unique knowledge or skills can you share with the world? Whether it's AI tools for productivity, the latest tech advancements in healthcare, or sustainable living tips, your niche should be something you're genuinely excited to explore and share with others. Next, build your landing page. This is your online storefront, where you'll introduce your newsletter and entice visitors to subscribe. Keep it clean, concise, and benefit-driven. Highlight the value your subscribers will receive and make it incredibly easy for them to sign up. Finally, create your first issue. Pour your heart and soul into crafting high-quality, engaging content that provides immense value to your readers. Don't be afraid to experiment with different formats, such as tutorials, listicles, interviews, or case studies. The key is to establish your voice, showcase your expertise, and leave your subscribers craving more. Section 2. Fueling growth in the fast lane. Congratulations on launching your AI-powered newsletter. Now let's shift gears and explore some bonus tips to accelerate your growth and reach a wider audience. Remember, consistency is key, but strategic promotion can significantly amplify your efforts. Leverage the power of short-form video content through platforms like YouTube Shorts. Create engaging, bite-sized videos that provide quick tips, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or teasers for your upcoming newsletter issues. Think of it as creating snackable content that leaves viewers wanting the full meal, your newsletter. Tap into the power of online communities like Reddit. Identify subreddits relevant to your niche and engage in meaningful conversations. Share your expertise, answer questions, and provide valuable insights without being overly promotional. The goal is to establish yourself as a thought leader and build organic interest in your newsletter. Craft compelling Twitter threads that provide valuable insights, actionable advice, or thought-provoking perspectives related to your niche. Twitter's fast-paced nature makes it an ideal platform for sharing concise, attention-grabbing content that can pique curiosity and drive traffic to your newsletter sign-up page. Remember, building a successful AI-powered newsletter takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. By consistently delivering value, engaging with your audience, and leveraging strategic growth tactics, you can turn your passion into a thriving online business. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more free tools and weekly tips on leveraging AI for business growth. And remember, in 2025 and beyond, your most powerful business partner is AI, and it doesn't sleep.